Hello everyone, I am Harsh Goswami and today we are going to know about the James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Telescope is launched by the American Space Agency NASA to the space. The main aim to make this telescope is to reveal the cosmic history and to know about the origin of the earth, because what all we know today is all about theories, as we are talk about the big bang theory, and there are so many information which are revolving around just as a theory. So there is no factual details of these of this universe, and that's why this telescope has sent to this space to find such things that can resolve the mystery of the universe. The scientists are believing that this telescope has been sent to space to find the first ray of light. The first ray of light basically means that from where the first light has been originated, from which we can know about the history of the universe, how the earth formed from this light. And that's why it is calling a game changer in the cosmic history. This satellite has been made by the NASA, but it is actually launched by a French company, Ariana Space. This company launched the satellite from the country Guyana, which is present in the South America, nearer to the equator, and that's why this country has chosen the location, because this is near to the equator, and that's why this has been chosen the location. This telescope is actually a successor of the Hubble telescope. In this photo, you will see that this is a Hubble telescope. This was launched in 1990 by the NASA and some other European countries as well. There are so many countries participating in this because it has a huge budget of 11 crore, almost 11 crore. So that's why this Hubble telescope has been made in 1990, but it has a lifespan of 31 years, and that's why there is need a successor of this telescope, and that's what the James Webb telescope comes. But we have to keep in mind that James Webb telescope has a lifetime for only 10 years only. So up to 2031 it will work on the space, and scientists are believing at that time it can uh, give us a lot of information about the universe. So and this is all about the James Webb telescope, but the James Webb telescope is much more advanced from the Hubble telescope, and it is a huge telescope as well. So that's why it is cost more than billion dollars, around 75,000 crore Indian rupees. So this is a huge budget project. The now question comes in mind, that is India also launched or any launching any such telescope in the future? Then yes, the answer is yes. That India already launched a telescope into the space, which is named Astrosat. So this already launched, and this telescope also discovered so many galaxies. So this is a really good satellite or a telescope for India, and that's why ISRO also working on the next successor of this telescope. And the very good fact about this telescope is that it cost only 250 crore rupees, which is very much less than the James Webb telescope, and that's why we do not have to compare these two telescopes. But again, in this small budget, ISRO launched this high level telescope. So this is a very big achievement for our ISRO, and we are working on the next project of the successor of astrosat as well. So this also can be a big successor as well for India. So this astrosat detects only two light, which is ultraviolet and X-rays. So this astrosat really works really good for India, and the successor, we hope that the successor of astrosat will discover much more about the universe. uh, I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching my video.